Hello there everybody, Richard Arblast here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Just wanted to fire off this quick video to let you know that this is going to be the last ever video I'm posting on this channel. As you can see, it's been a while since I've posted anything. I think the last one was a shout out a few months ago. This doesn't mean that I'm not going to retrain as an electrician in 2021. It's just that I've really got nothing to put on this channel anymore, and I thought I've decided I'll just put everything on my personal channel, and if I do decide in the future to resurrect this channel, I probably might do or might not do. So as I say, for now, this is goodbye on this channel. Thank you to the 22 subscribers that took the time out to support this channel. It's been an awesome 9 months or so, but as I say, it's time to move everything back to my personal channel. And as I say, thanks for the support so far, and I'll see you all over on my personal channel. And it's goodbye from me, and I'll see you all on my personal channel.